Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we are going to learn exercise number 1.3, problem number 5. In my previous video, I have uploaded previous 4 problems. If you haven't watched that, do check it out. The video link is in the description box below. Now we can see fifth question. Let f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. If x not equal to 0, then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. This is the question. What is given? F of x is given. And we need to find this. Okay, now we can see the solution. Now, I have written the given data. What is given data? Given data is f of x. What is f of x here? Here, f of x is 2x plus y. Okay, we have to write the given value, that is f of x. F of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Here, what we need to find out in the question, f of x plus 2, f of x plus 2 f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. We have to find this. So first we are going to find f of x plus 2 first. Okay. Next we are going to find out f of 2. After that we will be substituting all the values of x plus 2, f of x plus 2 and f of 2 here, and then we can find out the solution. So the concept is we are going to apply the value of x in this formula. Okay. We are going to apply the value of x here. This is in the form of f of x. So the value of x is x plus 2, right? Here, this also in the form of f of x. So the value of x is 2. So we are going to apply the value of x in this formula first. Now, what is f of x plus 2? F of x plus 2 equal to, we need to apply in this formula. What is given? Given formula is 2 f of x is equal to x plus 5. Okay, here the value of x is x plus 2, right? What is given in question? X value of, I mean, this is in the form of f of x, so the value of x would be x plus 2, right? Then we are going to apply the value in this formula, 2x plus 5. So here 2 into x. What is 2 into x? X value is x plus 2, right? So x plus 2 plus 5 and 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4, then plus 5. Okay, so the answer would be 2x plus what? 4 plus 5 is 9, right? So 2x plus 9. This is the answer of f of x plus 2. Then what we need to find out then? We have to find out f of 2. Okay, f of 2. This also in the form of f of x. Okay, the value of x is 2. Here what is given actually? F of x is equal to f of x plus f of x is 2x plus 5. So here we need to apply x value in this formula. So x is 2, right? So 2 into x value is 2 plus 5. Okay, in this formula only we are applying. So the answer would be 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 is 9, right? So the answer of f of 2 is 9. So we have found f of x plus 2 and f of 2. We are going to substitute the values answers in this. So what would be this next step? Next step would be f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. This had been asked in the question, right? So what is the first answer? First answer is 2x plus 9. 2x plus 9. 2x plus 9. Then here we have minus, right? Minus f of 2 value is 9 divided by x. So we can cancel plus 9 and minus 9. So the answer would be 2x divided by x. We can cancel x also. So the answer is 2. Okay. This is the answer of fifth problem. This is all about fifth question. We can see the next question in another video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give the thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thanks for listening.